Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day here in Hua Hin, Stonehead, Thailand. Today we are out to try a new place to eat. After the last video, if you watched it, it was at Pinup Drive-In Burger, and it was really good. And I got a lot of comments in social media, messages, things like that, that we have to try this place. And it's off of Hua Hin 51. It's called Burger Factory. So after about 5 or 6 messages saying I gotta try it, we thought we'd go try it. So we thought we'd bring you along. Let's go. It's right over there. Well, our orders have arrived. Jamie got the classic American burger, something like that. I got the crispy fish burger. They look delicious. Jalapeno poppers, they're almost identical to the ones at Prime Burger in Hua Hin here. Very good. I'm gonna try a bite of Jamie's smash burger here. It's good. Try this crispy fish. It's good. It's real fish.
Yeah.
It's not like the frozen patty. That's good. So what do you think?
It's delicious. I love it. The smash burger is great, nice and crispy on the edges. Lots of cheese, pickles.
And poppers.
And poppers. Very spicy poppers.